Hello everyone. Today we will learn about how to crop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, clip imported to timeline. There are two ways to crop footage. First is using crop effect. Second is masking. For first one, go to effects and search for crop. Now drag it to footage. Go to crop section in effect control. Now you can adjust the values accordingly. You can also animate it by adding keyframes. For second option, we do not require crop. Just go to opacity and add a mask. In mask, we have freedom to crop in desired shape and angle. We can also animate mask similarly.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in next video.